In this video, I'll be talking about how to trade if the market is up and how to trade if the market is down and how to select the stock and what stock to trade and how to manage the situation if the market changes its trend and everything. So watch the video till the end to get all the information regarding this, and also I'll be sharing you some of the important tips, tricks and everything what you need to know about selecting a proper trend and selecting a proper stock for trading in intraday. Okay, so guys, yes, now let's talk about the main thing, that if the market trend is up, okay, so it doesn't mean that all the stock are going to go up. Okay, so even though if the market is up, you see a top gainer and also a top loser also. Okay, and let's say the market is down, even if the market is down, there are stocks which are in gainers also, not all the stocks will come down. Okay, so these are the things what you need to remember. So even though if the market is up, there will be a top loser stocks, and even though if the market is going down, there will be a top gainer stock. Okay, so what this means is that even the stocks will have a different kind of trend as well. So the particular stock what you're selecting will have a different kind of trend as well. Okay, so now what you have to do is, let's say even though if the market is bullish like this, so right now the market is in a very peak condition, so Nifty has made a new high, we are almost closer to 20,000. So Nifty is at a peak, it's in a very bullish range. Okay, so now what you have to consider in trading is the question. Okay, so we'll talk about intraday trading also, and if someone is holding a trade for position or swing, I'll be telling you how you can do the trades on that also. So basically, if you're an intraday trader, what you do is you tend to buy a stock if the market is going up, correct? So yes, that is right, you are doing according to the trend, but the main question here is, what stock are you selecting? So as I said you, even though if the market is up, it doesn't mean that all the stock will go up. So there are the stock which can come down also. So the thing here is that, are you selecting the stock which is going to go up? If the market is up, you have to select the stock which needs to go up. So the thing is, are you selecting the stock which is going up? Or many people, what they do the mistake is, they already select the stock which has already gone up and they buy that, or they see a stock which is suddenly booming up and they buy it very quickly in that rush, and from there the stock starts to falls down. So this is the condition what many traders are facing. So I'll be giving you solution for this, so watch the video till the end. Okay, and also guys, before that, if you guys are new to the stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading, you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit. No indicators and no complicated things. It's a one-time payment. You get lifetime support with daily live market guidance as well. Okay, so you can just go inside my channel and watch daily live trades what I've uploaded. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us today. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. It's the amount what you spend for eating your favorite snacks or a fast food in a month. Okay, and not only that, once you join, I'll be guiding you every day in the live market as well. So you will get my personal guidance every single day. Okay, to provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and even the people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers, and if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, so once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let's talk about how to select a proper stock or how to be in a correct entry side when the market is up. So now let's talk about intraday trading and when the market is up. Okay, so firstly we'll talk about intraday trading. What traders should keep in their mind when they're doing intraday trading when the market is up or when the market is peak. let's talk about the current situation. So when the market is peak like this, okay, so let's say the market is trying to make a new high here, I mean 20,000, it will be a fresh new high. So when the market is going bullish like this, when you see a stock in equity list or anything, so you can see at the top there are stocks which are already moved up by 3%, 4% like that. So now what you have to do is, you don't have to select the stocks which are already up by 4%, 5%, 8% like that. Okay, so don't select the stock which are already going up. So instead what you have to do is just come down and see the stock which are in a downtrend. Okay, yes, when the market is in a very peak section, and if the market is going in a very bullish way, or if it's a gap up, then just select the stock which are bit of a down section. Okay, so which are in a downtrend. Okay, so select the stock which is in a downtrend. As you guys can see, these are the stocks which are down by 3%, 4%, 5%. So you have to concentrate on these stocks in this kind of condition. So select the stock which are in a downtrend, and make sure the stock what you're selecting is good stock. Okay, don't select the stocks which are from like penny stocks, which are stocks which are below like 100. So don't select those kind of stocks. Select the stocks which are a quality stocks. So in this video and all, I'll be telling you how you can select a good quality stocks also. So watch the video till the end, so I'll tell you that trick as well. So now you have to select here the stock which is having a good price range and a good volume. Okay, so you can see that in the volume section as well. So you have to filter the stocks which by having more value and the volume as well. Okay, so select the stock which is having a bigger volume and put that in your watch list, and wait for that stock to change the trend. Okay, for example, let's say you are selecting the stock Hinfi here, which is down by 7%. So you select the stock at the time of your trading. So whatever time you're trading in, you can see the stock. Okay, so guys, please make sure that I'm only telling you about the selection of the stock here, to learn the process of trading, and what time to execute this process, and how to exactly you can join my course today. In my course, I'll teach you all these things about proper execution and how to select the proper stocks and everything. So I'm just telling you in brief, but if you guys want to learn in detail and also get live market guidance and support from me, you can WhatsApp me now personally on the number displayed on the screen, and I'll be guiding you personally to make consistent profit, and I'll be hand holding you, and I'll be guiding you with my years of experience in trading. Okay, so guys, yes, so for example, let's say you select a stock here which is down and which is matching the rule which I said you. So the market is going up and the market is peak. So if you select the stock which is already up, there are chances it can be range bounded, or it can start to change the trend and come down. So don't buy it in a rush. So never ever buy it in a rush. For example, if you see a stock which is going up from 100, 101, 102, 103, so don't just go and buy it at 103 or 104 when it's already up. You have to buy it when it was before 100. You have to buy when before getting that bullish move. The move what you see, that move should be captured. Okay, you should not buy it after that strong move is done. So avoid doing that. Okay, so yes, so now let's say you select a stock which is in a downtrend. Okay, and after you have selected a stock which is in a downtrend, now for example, you have to wait for the stock to change its trend. So basically, many people see the support level of the stock, so which is an common thing. So you can see that support level or the buyer's zone. Okay, when the stock is changing its trend. Okay, so when the stocks turns its trend and starts to move up, then you can buy the stock. And as the market is bullish here for the correct condition, and if the market is going up, there are chances the stock what you have bought can give a very good result and go up very quickly as well. Because let's assume the market is up by 1% and the stock is down by 5%, that means the buyers are not yet concentrate on this kind of stock which is down. But when people realize that all the stocks are already gone up and they have to concentrate on the stock which is about to go up, so that is the time when most of the buyers come in and buy this kind of stocks which are in down level, and they will push it automatically, and that push is given very sooner as well. So if you guys want to see this method, you can just observe it for the few days and you will understand how the stock is performing and how the buyers are coming and where the sellers are going. You will understand this very easily. Okay, so this is the situation what how you have to trade when the market is in a upper side. So now let's talk about when the market is downside. For example, this was the 21st of July market performance. Okay, the market was bearish here. Okay, the market hit a very new high and the market became very bearish on the next day itself. That was the previous day. So now let's talk about how to trade in intraday trading when the market is bearish. So yes, if you are an intraday trader, you have a very good advantage in intraday trading when the market is down because you can short sell. So yes, you are right. So you have to short sell if the market is down. Okay, and as the market is down, it doesn't mean that all the stocks should come down as well. So there are the stocks which are going up also, which are coming down also. But if the market is down, we'll concentrate on a short selling side, which is safer, which is according to the trend. Okay, so now when you're short selling, again the thing comes how to select the stock. Okay, so again many people what they do is they already select a stock which is already gone down. Okay, so here what you have to do is here you have to do exactly opposite and select the stock which has not gone too much of a down, or select the stock which is going up in intraday trading. Okay, so if you select a stock which is going up in intraday trading, that doesn't mean that the stock should keep on going up for the whole day. So even that stock will have a resistance somewhere and where the sellers are going to come. Okay, at that price you can start to do the short sell and keep your desired target and stop loss and take a exit. So if you ask me what is the safest target and stop loss, so if you're a beginner, always start off with 0.5% target and 0.5% stop loss, and once you're confident with this gaining 0.5% of profit in every single trade, then you can increase up to 1% target and 0.5% stop loss. Okay, so if you don't have a good trading strategy and a trading technique, you can join us today. So that's where I'll be guiding you the strategies and techniques, and I'll be guiding you with the confidence to make consistent profit in intraday trading. And also I'll be teaching you in my course where to identify the buyer zone and seller zone. So where exactly you need to buy and where exactly you need to sell. You understand all the things in deep once you join my course. So here I'm just telling you the brief things what we do. So if you guys want to learn everything in detail to make consistent profit, you can join us today. So yes, when the market is down, you will have to select the stock which are already up by few percent, and then once that stock changes its trend by hitting its resistance level or a seller zone, from there you can start taking your sell side. Okay, and then you can get your target easily. So always concentrate on the target what I'm telling, 0.5 or 1%, which is safer. So you don't have to concentrate on getting 3% or 4% or more than that in just one single trade itself. You can maximally do 2 or 3 trades in intraday trading. So we suggest not to do over trading in intraday trading. So maximum trade should be 2 or 3. So don't do more than that, as it will add up stress, and that is over trading. So always follow discipline guys in intraday trading. So that's what I'm telling you. So if you're able to follow all this kind of discipline and you know to select the stock, then you can make consistent profit. Okay, so to learn all this technique in deep, you can join us today. And yes, so now let's talk about when the market is range bounded. Okay, so this is a bullish kind of market trend and this is a bearish side of market trend. That is, the market is going up and the market is coming down. But if you can see here, the market is just sideways or just range bounded. That means it is just going in one range. Okay, not much of a movement. So in this kind of situation, now what happens is most of the stocks will remain as range bounded or sideways. Okay, so it's not about the stock which is going up or coming down. So most of the stocks will remain range bounded as well. So in this kind of range bounded situation, if you're a very beginner, I will suggest you to avoid it. Okay, so how do you come to know if the market is range bounded? So if the market is range bounded, let's assume that you have selected any stock here, and if your selected stock is not giving much of a range, or you are seeing the candles which are being wicks of so much and the body is lesser. So if if the stocks looks like this exactly as you're seeing on the screen, if the stock looks like this with an big wicks and a small body of a candle, that means the stock is range bounded, so avoid trading in that stock. Or if you feel that the market is also range bounded, if you're a beginner, avoid trading on that day. Okay, even though if you still get a chance to trade on the range bounded days, so what I would suggest you guys is always keep 0.5% target on those kind of days, not more than that. Okay, so this is how to trade in intraday when the market is range bounded. So whatever the stock you're selecting, just see the candles, and if the candle wicks are very high and the candle body is very low, that means it is range bounded. There are no much of a supply and demand here, that is buying and sellers here. So that's why the stock is behaving like that. And also it just moves in one price. For example, let's say the stock price is 1000, it just go to 1002 and come back to 1000 again and again, 1001, 1002 and again 1000. So if the stock is moving in this kind of pattern, then kindly avoid it. Okay, so that means it's range bounded. So this is how to trade on intraday in sideways market. So now let's talk about if you're a positional trader or a swing trader, and if the market is bullish, how to trade. So as you're a positional trader and a swing trader, you have a power here to hold the stock for how much ever days you want. Okay, so if you're planning for investing an amount for swing trade, that is to buy and hold for few days, few months, or for even for a long term. So here what happens is, if you guys have invested when the market was down around 19,000, so let's assume you bought a stock at 100 and now the market has almost gone to 20,000. Okay, so if you have bought a stock at 100 rupee and it has already gone up to 150, so I would suggest you guys to exit and book a profit in that. So for example, if you have invested 1 lakh and if you have made 50,000 in one single trade, that's a good amount of profit. You can exit it, and now you can invest this 1,50,000 in different stocks as well if you're doing a swing or a personal trading. But if you're seeing for a long term, you just investing and leaving it, then you can hold it for how much ever years you wish to hold it. But if you're just planning to double your capital with just one single trade or swing trade, I would suggest you don't do that, because not all the stock will go up in same way. For example, from 100 to 200, it don't jump very easily. It will go from 100, 120, 110, 130, 140 and again come back to 120, and then it keeps on going. So in this kind of run, it's better you book your profit at 130 and on 140 and get your profit, and whatever the profit you got, and with the capital, then invest on the stock which is having a potential to go up from the down. That is again buy the stock which is at 100. I'm just giving an example here. Okay, so yes, if you are an swing trader like this, if you are holding the stocks when the market is already gone up to the peak, so better to exit. So that's the safer way. Yes, you can hold some with the risk, but if you are having met your target, so always keep your target for swing trading as well, like 5%, 6% like that in one single trade. So if that target is met, I would suggest you to kindly exit it and then invest on the stocks which are having potential to go up. So basically now I'm going to show you some of the stocks. So this is an NSE indexogram. So this will show you the weightage of the stocks and the sector. So first let's talk about the stocks which are having a high weightage in our Nifty 50 stocks. So these are 10 stocks. Okay, Reliance Industry has 10.21% weightage, and HDFC Bank has 8.90% weightage, and ICICI Bank has 7.74 weightage, and HDFC has 6.10% of weightage in Nifty 50, and Infosys is 5.64, ITC with 4.72, and TCS with 4, and Larsen and Toubro with 3.54%, Kotak Bank with 3.21%, and Axis Bank Limited with 3.20%. So these are the stocks which are having very high weightage in our Nifty 50. Okay, so in those Nifty 50 stocks, these 10 stocks are very influential for the trend. Okay, and now you can see here the sectors as well which are highly influential for the stock, I mean for the market. So this will drive our trends as well. Okay, you can just see this page, or you can just take a screenshot of this, so it will help you whenever you're seeing this market, so you will come to know how the market is performing. Okay, so guys, yes, for the swing traders, if you guys are holding the stock from the beginning, and if the market is up and if your target is met, kindly exit it. And yes, if the market is bearish, if you're holding the buy side, so yes, if you're a swing trader, you'll obviously hold the buy position in the stock. So yes, because you can't do short selling in swing trading. So if you're holding the buy position, now what you have to do is, if the market comes down a lot, okay, and your stock what you have bought has come down by 4 or 5%, then try averaging it, not exiting it, because you're a swing trader here. And one more thing guys, if you are a swing trader and if you're investing in a very good quality stock like Infosys, Tata Motors, or Indus India Bank, or any stocks which you have seen in your daily life, like whichever the product you see in your daily life, if you're investing on those kind of stocks, those stocks have tendency to perform well. So if the stock has come down due to the market trend change, or let's say the market suddenly came down, and if the stock has come down, that is very normal. So here what you can do is, you can average it. If your investment has or if the stock has come down 4 or 5% down from the price you have bought, average it, and then your average price will come down, and there you can get your target easily once the market reverses, or if the stock reverses its trend to go up again. Okay, this is the key thing what the swing trader should always know to do. So you need to always observe the investment what you have done, the stocks what you have done. So check it where it is, and if it's down like 4 or 5%, then you try to average if it's a very high quality stock. If it's not a high quality stock, and if you find there is something problem in the stock by the news or something, just kindly exit it. Okay, so always hold the stock which is very good. So especially Nifty 50 stocks are very good. So if you know the stock and if you know it's a very good company, then hold it. Okay, so this is how you can deal it when the market is very bearish in swing trading section. So guys, yes, these are the little tricks and tips, and this is how you select the stock when the market is up or when the market is down. So I hope you guys like this video. So if you guys like this video, do give a like for this video, and also do subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also guys, if you guys want to learn from me, you can message me now on the WhatsApp number displayed on screen, and learn from me, and I'll guide you all these things. So guys, you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. So I upload daily live trades about what trade I take and what trade I do. So you can see all the performance, and if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this in intraday trading, you can join us. I'll be guiding you guys personally in the live market. The same trade what I take and the same levels what I do, you will get the same trades as well. Okay, so if you are interested to make consistent profit from today, you can join us now.